In this video, we will talk about how to find the area of triangles. The area formula is equal to 1/2 base times height, but we talked about our two steps over here, multiplying the base times height and then dividing by 2. So let's go ahead and do that. The first one is pretty simple. There's only two numbers here, and so we're only going to focus on those two numbers. Just to keep in mind though, how we know if it's base and the height is this little box here in the corner. The box in the corner always touches the base and the height. That's just a symbol for a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to multiply 20 times 12, and I get 240. And then I will take 240, divide it by 2, and I get 120. So my answer for the first one is 120 inches squared. For the next question, again, I'm going to look for that little box in the corner. The box in the corner always touches the base and the height. In this case, my base is 7 and my height is 10. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 10, and I get 70. And then I will take 70 and divide it by 2 to get 35 inches squared. The last question, again looking for the base and height. This triangle is set up upside down, but notice that my base and height is still being touched by the right angle symbol. So I'm going to be multiplying 11 as my base and 4 as my height. 11 times 4 is 44. And then my last step will be to divide 44 by 2, and I get 22 yards squared. Simple as that.